Hola, I'm alive. I haven't posted anything in a long time because I was just trying to heal from something. I just washed my hair actually, and well, a few years ago I used to actually have like really healthy, fluffy, voluminous hair. But after I started like dyeing my hair, I feel like it just became flat and crunchy. I just thought like today, instead of like regular air drying, I had to try and restore some of that volume, in a harmless, heatless way through braids. I've never tried this before, so let's hope it does make some difference to my hair. And yeah, I just thought I'd film it. Okay, my hair is wet and soaked, so I'm gonna start braiding. I've never done this before, so I don't really know how to begin, but let's just go for it. I think I'm gonna do small and tight strands because I'm hoping that should give me more volume. I know this looks like a lot of work, but to be honest, braids are super easy and it's something that you can do while multitasking. I'm gonna make sure they're like really nice and tight so that I really get that definition and volume. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the bottom just like that. I think I'm just gonna continue doing this. Are you guys seeing that? I took my braids out and I don't know, what do you guys think? It does look better, right? I think I do see a difference. Yeah, I think it's cute. Hope everyone's doing well. Peace.